This video is going to be a lot different than what we're usually doing. So about 2.5 months ago, I bought a bus off Facebook Marketplace. Paid $500 for it. I have called every towing company within like a 2-hour radius of where this bus is. I cannot find a single person to come pick up this bus, bring it back to the shop so we can have fun with it. So I bought this Deuce 2 weeks ago in order to pull this bus back. That's why we bought it. That's why we built it up into what it is. Now today it's just, that's why Graham and I.
No,
you gave me that look.
Because that's the only reason you bought it?
I thought you bought it to flip it.
Yeah. It was cool. Yeah, just don't worry about why I bought it. I bought it. That's all that matters. We gotta get that bus back today. Breakfast of Champions, Monster, and Oatmeal cream pie.
Case loves cream pies.
It is what it is.
We gonna do this?
Yeah. You guys like that intro, hit the like button and subscribe. Energy.
If you didn't see what happened to this Deuce in the last episode, go back and watch it. And Chase rattle canned it. He restored it.
Let's go get this bus.
I'm calling it now. This is going to be a disaster. I didn't realize how far away this was.
I mean, it's not gonna be an easy task, but it's not gonna be it's probably
So
gonna be a
let's go ahead and
disaster.
show you. Let me give you guys a rundown on this bus. So the lady that owns this bought this bus about 20 to 25 years ago. She converted the inside of it into like an apartment living quarters, and she lived in it while she built her house. Well, then her house got completed. She moved from the bus into her house. The bus has been sitting here for about 20 to 25 years. She put it online for $800. I offered her $500. She took it, and then she charged me another $200 for a storage fee for the past 2 months.
She couldn't figure out.
Because I couldn't figure out how to get it from here to there. So before I get charged another $200, we're going to use the Deuce
To at least get it to the end of her driveway.
attempt to try to get it back.
Get it wedged in the middle of her driveway.
I hope not. You think we should put some air in the car?
No, I think we need to just hook some chains up to it and pull this on.
All right, let's see what
Are you being for real?
Yeah. So we got two 10,000-pound straps. We're gonna test the ability of these Smitty built straps. They're off-road recovery straps, but I'd rather these 2 straps snap than 2 chains.
You want me to drive the bus?
Yeah,
Hey, what if it doesn't have brakes?
It doesn't.
So the Deuce pulled it no problem. Hunter said it's in gear. I can't figure out how to get it out of gear.
Yeah, I was watching that. It was like.
So let's actually turn the motor over.
First low 6-wheel drive.
Pulled it like a champ. All these are split rings, so they call them Widowmakers. They blow up. It never says shit.
These are split ring wheels. They're called Widowmakers.
Whatever. All right, all aboard.
What is your problem, man? Do you know fucking drive? No.
so we've got the deuce and a half in the bus to the end of the driveway, but we've run into a little snag and we're gonna try to avoid this. There's a fire hydrant right here where the turn needs to be made. We can maybe make it with a deuce, but pulling that bus, I don't know if Chase is gonna be able to do that or not. I'll turn the camera around so you guys can see exactly how much room we have between the driveway and the fire hydrant. Here's the edge of the driveway. There's the fire hydrant. Maybe 5 foot. So this will be interesting. Hopefully we don't take out the fire hydrant.
So we got a little situation. As we're pulling the bus, I can't get it out of gear, and it's actually turning the motor over, which is not good because if the motor fires up, this thing has no brakes. I don't know if it's in gear or not, and it's gonna go right to the back of the deuce.
All right, so we gotta hang to the left of the driveway because we got the fire hydrant that we're trying to avoid taking out.
Oh shit. I'll be damned. Did it. We managed to get this bus to the school, which is about 3 turns from the house we picked it up at. There is no way in hell we can drag this bus back to the shop with the deuce because tires are dragging or the brakes are locked up and it's in gear, so it's trying to start. So we got Doggett here. We're gonna get this thing loaded up on this trailer, strap it down, and we got like a 15-20 minute drive to the shop. Make sure y'all watch me on my tires. Dude, that was my mirror.
Let's get hectic, let's get crazy. I'm just chilling, it don't faze me.
I almost ran that some bitch off the trailer. You're good, bro. Sure. Yeah, everything's going to plan.
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
I've been hustling and grinding, know what you can find in the silver lining when you work hard. We got that blue collar work ethic. We got that blue collar work ethic. Let's get hectic, let's get crazy. I'm just chilling, it don't faze me. Got that energy. I said I'm just being me. I've been sticking to my lane, I'm noticing the shade. They wish that they could be me, they can't. I keep working on my game,